Which do you prefer, chicken or pizza? I prefer pizza because pizza is cheap more than chicken. Also, pizza have most chicken and pizza can fill many tastes. First, pizza is cheap more than chicken. For example, chicken shop chicken is 21,000 won and pizza is 19,000 won. So pizza is more cheap. The really BBQ chicken is more expensive than pizza. Second, most pizza have cheese. I like cheese many, so my ways. I want many cheese. Cheese is delicious. Cheese is many oil and cheese mix the sauce. It is very delicious taste. Third, pizza have many sauce. I like tomato sauce, bulgogi sauce, or hot sauce. So we can taste many sauce. Sauce is pizza's flour. Maybe the sauce is not their pizza. I will call the police. In conclusion, I prefer a pizza because pizza is cheap and most pizza have cheese pizza and can fill many sauce tastes. Thanks for listening.